How to stop Pinterest notifications and emails. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to stop Pinterest notifications and emails. So first is you have to make sure that your Pinterest application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and just type in there the Pinterest. Now, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my application is already updated. Now, if your application is updated, we can now start in our tutorial. So let's go back to the home page and go directly to your Pinterest application. And here it will actually lead you to your feed directly. So on the lower right, you will see your profile icon there. You click on that and you will see your profile, your your name, and all the pins that you have saved or you've collected for the past few years or months or days or weeks, depending on you. And on the upper right, you will see three dots there. You click on that and go to settings. Now here on settings, you under the account information, you will see the notifications. You click on that, and here you will see by email or by push notifications. Since we want to turn off the notifications and the emails, first we have to go to the email. Let's click on by email. So let's say you have a specific topic that you don't want to get on your email, so you just have to click or unshade that one. Or if you really don't want to receive any emails about Pinterest, just click on turn off all, and then your notifications on the email for Pinterest will be now locked and stopped. So for the notifications, you click on by push notifications. So let's say you don't want to hear from the comments, the photos, your views, and impressions, then you could click on that. But if you really don't want to receive any notifications about everything, just click on turn off all, and now it's already disabled. So basically that is how you stop Pinterest notifications and emails. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.